Start by setting a realistic budget for holiday expenses. Prioritize needs over wants to prevent overspending. Plan gift shopping early to avoid last-minute stress. Look for sales and discounts to save money. Consider DIY gifts to reduce costs. Host potluck gatherings instead of expensive dinners. Use rewards points for holiday purchases. Limit spending on non-essential holiday decorations. Communicate budget expectations with loved ones. Set boundaries if necessary to maintain financial health. Consider giving experiences rather than physical gifts. Shop online to compare prices and find deals. Track spending to ensure you stay within budget. Avoid using credit cards to prevent debt. Plan ahead to avoid impulse buying. Focus on meaningful holiday experiences. Reflect on the true spirit of the season. Utilize holiday apps for budgeting help. Plan festive activities that are free. Seek out community events that cost little. Evaluate traditional holiday expenses critically. Encourage creativity over purchased gifts. Prioritize time with loved ones over expensive purchases. Reuse decorations from previous years. Host virtual celebrations to save on travel costs. Set a gift exchange limit with family. Choose thoughtful over extravagant gifts. Shop local to support community businesses. Pool resources for group gifts. Provide handmade gift cards to personalize donations. Focus on creating lasting holiday traditions. Go on over to www.divigen.com and use our free tools to help you have the best holidays with your family.